you guys, welcome back to my channel Aditya Sharad Nalade. So today is a Sunday, so all of us in the family were free, and so we are going to do the darshan of Shiv Gange God and also Ghati Subramaniam God, which Ghati Subramaniam I keep going often, but Shiv Gange we go sometimes like once, like not as often as I go to the Ghati Subramaniam. So today me, Papa, Prachi and Mama are going to go to Shiv Gange. Okay, now I'll get back to you and I'll quickly eat. I'll tell you what I'm eating now. I'm going to eat soak oats from Muscle Blaze ka oats and Avala. So since I'm having a lot of gastric issues, I am, if all the members in our family have decided that we'll make Avla juice like shots and drink it in the morning and don't eat for maybe 1 or 2 hours. But today it's not possible because we have to go out and there is no time. So yeah, I'll see you all in the car maybe. कार में तो मेरे को मोशन सिकनेस हो जाता है, तो आई कांट फ़ोन लेके मैं व्लॉग ही नहीं कर पाऊँगा क्योंकि यार मम्मा, आपको पता है ना कि वॉमिटिंग हो जाता है कभी कभी कार में. क्यों होता है, हमको क्या लगता है? वो मोशन सिकनेस की वजह से. पता नहीं, किसी को पता नहीं, भगवान जाने क्यों होता है. हमको कम हो जाए बस, हम आराम से इधर उधर घूम सकते हैं. मुझे लगता है ये इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हम लोग है ना ज़्यादा क्या कहते हैं, बाहर जाते नहीं हैं कार में. हमको कार का है ना आदत नहीं. जिस दिन हमारा कार का आदत बन जाएगा ना, उस दिन हम लोग सही से बाहर जा पाएंगे कार से. तो चलो बाय. Guys, I'm inside the car and I'm very loud. Mama, why am I loud? I'm always loud. And yeah, I'm generally loud. So now we are on the way to the Shiv Gange temple, and yeah, it's been a long time since I've been there. So I will go there and show you. It's a beautiful temple. It has has a good history, like a very good culture also. I'll tell you how. So there are 3 stages to this temple. I'll tell you how much I know first. There are 3 stages to this temple. The first stage is where there is God Shiva. Now in this God Shiva, Mama, what happened? There is Parvati Devi also down. I think rapport. Oh, there is Parvati. We are not sure, but there is a goddess below. Then there is Shiva God. Then there is there's like, what is it Mama called? I'm not Ganga. And then Nandi. Now what happens here is, let me tell you, it's a very beautiful story. Not a story. No, I'll tell it now. You actually have to, go to the temple and the Shivling, what is it Mama? Makhan it becomes. घी को मक्खन हो जाता है. जब अभिषेक होते से पहले घी से मक्खन बन जाता है. मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ इट्स साइंटिफिकली पॉसिबल, बट दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल मिरेकल दैट इज देयर. देन अप देयर इज लाइक it's Ganga, and there if you touch the water, they say the wish comes true. That's what I've heard of. If you touch the water, whatever wish that you've asked, that comes true. And up you have to climb again a few, I don't know how much, some feet you have to climb. You get the Nandi. But today we are going to go only to the Shiva temple and go back. We have to go to the Ghati also. यार हाथ दुख जाते हैं इतना पकड़ के. So we have to go to the Shiva temple and then from there we are going to Ghati. Mama is like, I'm shooting too much content. Bas. तो मम्मा बोलती है बास, तो बास. बास मतलब stop. Guys, this is the first thing that I've seen. Like, there's an SOS button inside this car. So whatever happens, like if something goes wrong, if you just press that, it goes to the authorities. So yeah, I mean, like, it's so cool. I think everybody should install it. I've seen this in a very, very, very rare cars. It's a very good safety thing that we could do. I mean, I've never seen it until now, which means it's not that famous. Hello, you guys. So we have reached Shiv Gange, and we are going to take the puja saman now. So this is how the entrance is, and the car is going for parking. We're taking the puja saman. Look at the puja saman, yaar. मम्मा आपको क्या लेना है? कुछ लेना है मम्मा? इग्नोर. एनीवेज इग्नोर कर दिया है मुझे मम्मा ने. वाह, रुद्राक्ष भी है यहाँ पे. पहन सकता हूँ तो देखेंगे. पूजा सामान तो रेडी है, हम लोग ले रहे हैं. Climb the stairs and you have to go, and then there'll be like God's temples on the way. There's Ganpati temple here, then there is what do you call goddess temple that's a little bit front. So let me show you all. It's a struggle to walk. My sister's walking so fast like a rocket. She's walking. यहाँ पे बंदर है. मम्मा नाही ती घेऊन जात. नाही ती घेऊन जात ना. टाईट पकडलाय मी हात. भीत रे मम्मी, भिऊ नको. My mother's scared of the monkeys. Even I am sometimes, but today I'm in a different mood though. भाई थक गया मैं तो इतना चल चल के. और क्या करें, भगवान के लिए करेंगे हम. प्राची थांब. मम्माला बसायचं आहे. मुझे मेरे को भी बैठना है. Hello you guys, I've just done with the darshan and it was such a blissful darshan. I felt really satisfied, and Mama is here. Mama, say hello. Raj, you want to join? Okay. So this is basically the prasad that they give after the abhishek, and this is the ghee. No, this is
first ghee.
It is first ghee. On the shivling when they do abhishek, before the abhisheka, the ghee turns butter, and that's the speciality of this temple. I mean that, yeah, it's like that. So let me show you all. This is so beautiful. It feels like you're in some ancient era temple. Let me just show you around. So this is basically so pretty. You can see that there is our Subramaniam Swami here, and there's of course Navgraha there. And look at this view. Wow, it feels like you're in some different age. Like I feel that it's like some different age ancient temple. Let's explore something inside before Papa comes. Of course they'll sit. Hopefully they'll not leave me. They'll call me if I'm. Oh, there's something here. But let's not go there. We don't have chappal. Let me show you all. Wow, what a view. Look at this view, guys. 1 second. This is so pretty. Oh, there are shops there. Oh my goodness, I've not worn chappal. It's okay. Look at this view. Wow. It's very pretty. I love it. Wow. If I have to take a thumbnail, this picture will be useful. Wow, look at that. Wow, mountains are beautiful, man. Now the wind is also coming and hitting my face, and it's just blissful. I think I should take some pictures here. I'm going to call Prachi for pictures if she is okay with it. By the way, the temple that we're going to next is also very close to me, because my parents had prayed to that god to have a child, and that child was me. So that temple is very, very close to my heart. I think I've made a vlog of Shri Ghati Subramaniam Swami temple when I went there. You can have a look at that also. So we are going to head now. We are quickly going to eat prasad, and we are going to head towards that temple. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm holding my left hand and vlogging because my right hand is actually okay. Anyways, this is basically the prasad. There's sambar and rice. There's also something sweet which I don't know of, and there is kak. Kak in Marathi, majge, there's majge. So yeah, we're going to eat this now and then we will go to Ghati. I've told it 1,000 times, but I'll tell you one more time. Thanks. Bye. Cut करना है इसको. There's actually a very good I don't know what is this called, water place, lake, I don't know what is it called, lake. अभी क्या हुआ पता मेरे साथ, मंकी ने मेरे हाथ से क्या था, नंदिनी का बादाम दूध खींच के लेकर गया और मम्मी इतना डर गई थी कि मम्मी ने पूरा सामान लेके बैग के जिप के अंदर डाल दिया था. तो हाँ वो हो गया. अभी क्या करें, हनुमान जी चाहते थे हमसे कुछ खाना तो वो खा लिए. अच्छा फोन ऐसा धर. तो वही प्राची, तुमको व्लॉग में आना है मेरे बहन है ना, सिर्फ जब रेडी वेडी होती है अच्छे से तभी व्लॉग में आती है, वरना उसको व्लॉग से कुछ मतलब नहीं है. चलो मैं आपसे बाद में बात करता हूँ. बाय. So we've reached the Ghati Subramaniam temple and I'm going to keep the chappal now. And this is the temple. So much of sun and I have cracks on my leg. I always have cracks on my leg. So it becomes very difficult for me to, walk in where there's, very heat. Because of heat, when the land gets very hot, it hurts a lot. It's almost like somebody is, it pains a lot. Even Mama has the same thing, है ना Mama? It's hereditary. As I've got it because of her, I can blame her for it. इनके वजह से मेरे को हुआ है, जो पैर में हुआ है ना, इनके जेनेटिक्स से मेरे को आया है, इसलिए मेरे को हुआ है. देखो हाँ, माँ के गुण है ये मेरे, माँ के गुण. कुठं है? कुठलं जायचं? Hi V. Anyways, I'll show you the temple inside. Bye. Being like reconstructed, like yeah, fully. I think since I come every month here once, I try to come every month once. So it's getting reconstructed. I think it's been 3 months since I've come. This temple is still being reconstructed. Hopefully it happens soon. पानी पी रहे थे, पियेंगे मस्त. इतनी गर्मी है यहाँ पे, मैं क्या बताऊँ. नारियल पानी तो चाहिए. बैंगलोर इतना गर्मी में नहीं था, अभी गर्मी हो गई इसमें. तो चलो जल्दी हो रहा है, लेट हो रहा है, हम लोग बाद में बात करते हैं. बाय. Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Why am I telling the introduction? Anyways, now we've reached back to our home. I mean, I'm on the way to going home. We are going to end this vlog right here. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Jai Hind.